changing the antennas remotely over the internet. Or if you're sitting in front of the tuner, the momentary antenna change button. We're using a webcam so we can see the light on the tuner when it's on or off. This software we're using is a simple internet-enabled relay board with some control software. It has on, off, or delay. We're using a delay set with 1 second. This is the setup at the bottom here. It's an actual 8-port relay switch. This light doesn't do anything for delay, but it does for the on and off, and we're not using the on and off for this purpose. The camera is off the taskbar, so we just run the camera, run the software, and to change between the beam, which is a 3-element Yagi on antenna port 1, and antenna port 2 is a 40-80 meter dipole. When I hit the delay, you'll see a light come on in the black area there on the left. That means it's switched from the beam with no light to the wire antenna with the light. And I can click it again and it switches back. Click it again, switches to the wire.